Ladies and gentlemen, Elrond Gold is bigger than I thought. My name is Adam Shelton, and let's go ahead and dive into this content because it is the internet scale, the blockchain future, highly scalable, fast, and secure blockchain. And because Elrond is in Miami, and that is the Mayor Francis, also with the co-founder and CEO of Elrond. Miami is a powerhouse and will play a key role in Elrond future. Let's go ahead and continue this. And also tomorrow, which it will be today, June 4th, there will be an interview from the great Layah on her YouTube channel, talking to the co-founder and CEO of Elrond Go. You definitely want to check it out. Tomorrow, I'm doing a live AMA with the co-founder of Elrond and the CEO. This is her YouTube channel. Go ahead and subscribe to her channel. I'm sure she may be doing a live video talking about Elrond Gold and its future. Absolutely. And here's more information from the actually CEO and co-founder. 2 million plus Bitpanda users gets access to Elrond Gold. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Why I'm so excited about Elrond Gold? Well, here's the thing. I am bullish because there's more information that's coming out, and I was wrong. I did a video about a couple of days ago and saying this price is going to be what? I don't know, $500? This is a $2,000 or more type project in the future, in my opinion, during this bull run. It's because there's more positive news coming out based off my research. Just like something like this. Elrond backed stablecoins come to the Elrond Network via finance on. This is unbelievable. More positive news is coming to Elrond Gold because people are starting to realize the great potential of this. And if you go to their website, you can literally buy and stake it. It's not too many projects you can do that. There's some projects, yes, you can stake it. Yes, you can buy it right from the website. But to have it this simple and easy with massive, scalable, secure efficiency, and developer friendly, and plus I can stake it right here, oh my goodness as well. So I'm excited about it. I went back and did more research. I'm like, you know what? This project here is so underrated. And it's at $97.03. Now you're probably thinking, you know what? How do I get Elrond if I don't want to go to their website, which is right there? You can get Elrond on a few places. You can get it on Binance, of course, Binance US, Binance.us. You also can get it on crypto.com. I will have that information in the description box as well. Now, I was talking about this earlier about Elrond's in Miami, and that's the Mayor Francis right there. It's only day one, thrilled for the next steps. I wonder what they're talking about here. And reason why I want to know is because I want to be ready for the fireworks. But you know what? You'll get a chance to listen a little bit about maybe what they talked about or more things that's going to happen to Elrond Gold in the future. The great Layah, Heilpern, is going to have an interview with the great CEO and co-founder of Elrond. So you definitely want to miss that. You don't want to miss that. I'll be watching as well. So go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're watching this right now, I'm sure that's going to be a really good video and a good interview. I watched some of her videos before, and it's really, really very educational, and she definitely knows her stuff when it comes to the crypto space. So go ahead and check her out as well. And of course, this news that came out, I was looking at this earlier, and I didn't realize how big this actually can be. Bitpanda is listing Elrond, which is the Elrond Network, as its newest asset for trading, and always great prizes await on our best trader. 2 million plus Bitpanda users get access to Elrond Gold. Man, that's big. And that's one of those things that, you know, all this positive news that comes out, something like this can kind of get swept under the rug. I don't think it is. I'm bringing it out to you right now because do not write off Elrond Gold on positive news like this. And when I look at the price, it don't really necessarily match up to all the positive news that's happening. $97? Are you kidding me? This, in my opinion, this is just my opinion on it only. No financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I really believe this price, this is about the $2,000 project or more, probably more than that, to be honest with you. My price prediction on this what positive news is coming out, how powerful the fact that they want to change the game in terms of the internet and the blockchain, and how fast and secure and highly scalable. They want to do all these type of things. They have a great team that's behind them. I mean, check out the team. They have a great team behind them, very smart individuals that's there to change the game and actually push the Elrond mission statement to a whole different level. So definitely want to check them out. Definitely want to continue following Elrond. If you're Elrond Gold holder, you're probably excited right now. Some of the stuff you may already know. I'm just bringing it back to you. And especially if they're in Miami right now, oh my goodness, I'm so excited about Elrond. You should be as well. And I'm so excited to watch this interview as well. So click on the link below. I'll have the link to her YouTube channel, so you can go ahead and get access to that. Just in case you miss it, I'll have her subscribe link and everything. You can watch the video or watch the live AMA. My name is Adam Shelton, so thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Click on the link below if you want to watch the AMA and to her YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next video.